Hi guys, in this simple video I'm going to show you how to archive and unarchive posts on Instagram. Very easy, simple, let's dive in. First thing first, let's launch the Instagram app. Then you want to go on your profile, bunch of posts. Let's say for example we want to archive this one over here. You want to click on the three dots on the top and you want to click on the third option which says archive. You click archive and there you have it, the post is no longer on the actual feed. As you can see, the post was number one. The post is no longer here. Let's say you did a mistake. Let's say you like this video, you want to get this video back and you want to unarchive this video. How are you going to go about it? Well, it is not so complicated, but I would say it is very slim. Because if you go back to the three dots on the top right corner and then when you click on archive, the fifth option over here, you have three options. The default option will be this, and when you go here you're not gonna find what you just archived because it is a post, it is not a story. Also you have live archives, live videos that you publish or you went live, right? So this is why this is the slim part. Like I mentioned, you have to go on the actual type of content that you archived. In our case we have two videos. This is the first one we actually archived. So let me show you how we are going to unarchive this video. We're gonna click on the three dots on the top and then you're gonna click on show on profile. Boom, the video is no longer archived. The video is no longer inside the archive. We have one more video. I don't know when and why I did actually archive this one. Again, three dots on the top and then show on profile. Boom, we have no longer posts on archive. Very simple, very easy. You refresh the feed, boom, the video is here, everything is here. For more tips like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.